Hi friends! Today we are drawing this beauty. Let's begin if you are ready. I will start drawing eyes first, and I will draw two ovals. With highlights inside. And I will fill the space around highlights in. Now we can connect eyes with two curves, one up and one down, to get the shape of the head. Let's give our butterfly a big wide smile. I will add the tongue. And now let's draw antennas. It will be a curved line first, and it will end with the spiral. And same goes for the left one. I think eyelashes are missing. She will look cute with eyelashes. Now when the head is ready, we can draw her body, and it will consist of two ovals. The first oval will be smaller, and the second one a little bit bigger. Like so. Alright, it looks perfect. Now it's time to give her big, gorgeous wings. The first line will start in the middle of the smaller oval, and it will go approximately here, little bit above the antennas. Let's say here. And we will draw a curved line, and we will try not to touch the eye. Now we can eyeball the same line from the right side, so it will finish here, and it will go near the eye, like so. Alright, the second line will start a little bit below, let's say here, and it will go downwards, and let's make it a little bit shorter than the upper one. Again, try to make the symmetrical line here. To finish the shape of the wing, we are going to draw three curves, one bigger and two smaller. Let's say one goes till the middle, and another half will be shared by two other curves, and the same on the right side till the middle, and two smaller curves. Next, we are going to connect this upper wing with the body with one curved line like that, and the same from another side. Now in the middle of that curve we will draw a teardrop that will point down and sideways. Same here. And we will draw curves from the sides that match the first curve. Alright, the main shape is done, and now we need to add all those colorful details inside of the wings. Basically they will be in three shapes only: teardrops, hearts and ovals. First we are going to draw a teardrop to fill this part of the wing. Like so, and the same from another side. Another teardrop for the lower part of the wing. One more for the down wing right in the middle. Same here. Two smaller drops on the sides. Two here. And the same here. Now here in the corner we are going to draw hearts. Next we will add two more teardrops inside. And we will finish the pattern by adding ovals. Here. Here. And here. And this is it for the first step. The line work is done. The next step would be coloring our beautiful butterfly, and the third and the final step is to get creative with our finished drawing. Let's start the coloring. Alright guys, here is our gorgeous butterfly. Let me know in the comments below if you are happy with your drawing. So now I would like to inspire you a little bit more to create your own beautiful drawing. You can use the same main shape of the body and wings and add any pattern and any colors that you like. I could make it look like this or turn it into beautiful blue morpho. And that's it for today. Stay creative, have fun drawing, and see you in my next videos. Bye!